The MQ-9 Reaper is an armed drone developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It is an evolution of the MQ-1 Predator designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. The MQ-9 can deliver highly accurate airstrikes with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs without putting the pilot in immediate danger. This reduces the risk of personnel loss and pilot training costs. Drone operations are generally less expensive than manned aircraft operations, both in terms of cost per flight hour and maintenance and the risk of aircraft loss. With its ISR and precision strike capabilities, the MQ-9 strengthens the U.S. technological advantage on the modern battlefield, supporting air dominance and intelligence, which are key to victory in many current conflicts. Main specifications: serves as a combat drone, UCAV, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, and ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It is approximately 11 meters long with a wingspan of approximately 20 meters. It has a maximum weight of 4,760 kilograms. It has a maximum speed of up to 480 kilometers per hour. It has a range of 1,850 kilometers, extendable with air refueling. It can fly for 27 hours non-stop. Advantages of the MQ-9 Reaper: multifunctional. It can be used for long-term reconnaissance, surveillance, and high-precision airstrikes. It is equipped with a full complement of weapons, such as Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and other munitions. It has long-range operational capabilities from thousands of kilometers away, enabling missions in conflict zones without risking personnel. It is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that enable direct surveillance and targeting. It has a long flight duration, making it ideal for sustained surveillance or reconnaissance missions. Disadvantages, challenges: vulnerable to electronic attacks, jammers. Because it is controlled via radio and satellite, it is susceptible to signal interference. Limited speed, not as fast as fighter jets, making it unsuitable for air combat missions against manned aircraft. Reliance on satellite communications can be a weakness in heavy electronic warfare conditions. Limited in adverse weather, sometimes operations can be disrupted by extreme weather conditions. Use and operations. The MQ-9 has been widely used by the United States Air Force in various operations, including in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and several global counterterrorism missions. Its success in eliminating high-profile targets and providing valuable intelligence makes it a key asset in modern operations. The MQ-9 has been used extensively by the U.S. Air Force since the early 2000s. In addition to the U.S., countries such as the UK, France, Italy, and several NATO allies use the MQ-9 for reconnaissance and combat operations. This drone has proven its effectiveness in counter-terrorism operations in the Middle East and Africa, destroying militant groups with precision and minimal collateral damage. Conclusion: the MQ-9 Reaper is a highly effective combat and reconnaissance drone platform, combining ISR and precision strike capabilities in one package. Despite some limitations, its multi-purpose capabilities and long flight duration make it very valuable to the United States military. The MQ-9 uses a Honeywell TPE331-10GD turboprop engine, producing approximately 900 shaft horsepower, which gives it a maximum speed of approximately 480 kilometers per hour and an operating ceiling of up to 15,240 meters, 50,000 feet. It is equipped with a GPS INS Inertial Navigation System, an advanced autopilot, and a satellite communication system for remote control. The MQ-9 carries high-resolution electro-optical/infrared sensors, a SAR synthetic Aperture Radar for target detection in all weather and conditions. Data from the sensors is transmitted in real time to the command center and operators, allowing for rapid analysis and effective response. It can mark targets for precision attacks with laser-guided munitions. Its very long flight duration, up to 27 hours non-stop, allows for continuous surveillance of the target area. The U.S. can collect highly detailed, real-time intelligence, facilitating tactical and strategic decision-making. The MQ-9 Reaper provides the U.S. with a unique combination of precision strike power, in-depth intelligence, and low personnel risk. This makes it a key strategic asset in modern military operations particularly in asymmetric conflicts and the war on terrorism.